Hi world, how are you? Good day. So I didn't eat any breakfast, so this is my brunch. Two slices of hard-boiled bread, some overnight chicken, pasta, and some cabbage and callaloo. All right, and I'm drinking some cool guava pineapple. Sorry guys, I say callaloo. No, it's pak choy and cabbage. That's my sister. And my daughter and my sister again. And this is my brother Omar. Alright. You my video just went by. This is my cover over and my sister. We are at the beach and we're having a good time. I'm gonna go for a little swim, okay?
Right, Kamina. She's been in here for like years, seconds.
Good to wash your face. What a cold. All right. This one. What's that up here? Omar! Come on. Stop it. Look here! Come here! Hi! Omar, go hold listen here.
See, Sonny.
Come, Sonny. Let me baptize you. No, you know I went to park here.
What, Mommy? What are you doing?
We now went up here, it's okay. We go be wet up here, but we now went up here. Alright. That's how you get the color. Yeah. Sonny, go swim.
When have you ever seen me? No.
You can try. Try, Sonny.
No.
Both of us, we cannot swim. So we just playing around in the water.
Yeah.
Oh, Sonny, look right. You have to pay if you go on that, not to get it.
Yeah.
But then close off now anyways.
Yes. I think someone saw it.
And that's it. Alright guys, we make some soup. Ooh, I forgot to video it guys, but these are some Jamaican style. We have few gungo peas in there and some pumpkin, breadfruit, chicken foot, chicken neck, dumpling, yellow yam, what again? Renta yam, cornmeal dumpling. We put 2 cock soup, we have carrot and vegetable. So we just gonna make it cook down now, guys.
Yam, apple yam.
Apple yam. Apple yam in there too, man.
Apple yam.
Alright guys, when we share out mine, I'll show you. Guys, even chocho in there. I don't really try to remember can right. Chocho.
Yeah.